Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Internet data connections problem on Realme C67 device. Okay, the most common reason for connectivity trouble is network problems. This can be caused by problems with the Wi-Fi router, such as incorrect settings and signal interference. Okay, and then how to fix that? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open please the settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, scroll down and then select the system option here. Well, and then in this section, you can choose reset options. Okay, and then you can reset mobile network settings here. And then click reset. Okay, after finishing, and then you can reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi here. And then click reset. And then wait a process. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to fix Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Internet data connections problem on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.